Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to remove the door trim panel using an Audi A6 C5 as an example. All car owners sooner or later face such a problem when it is necessary to replace the microswitch, central locking, adjust the power windows or replace it. In general, any work related to the space in the door, you will have to remove the door card in order to gain access to all the insides. In fact, the door trim is removed easily. For this, one screw is unscrewed from each end of the door. Next, you need to get the power window button block. To do this, insert any thin object into a special hole and press up. After that, the button block will come out of the door handle, and it will be possible to disconnect the connector. If you do not have a passenger door, but any other, then there is already one power window control button here. Here, too, there is a special hole into which you need to insert a screwdriver to get the button from the door handle. After the button block has been removed from the door handle and the connector has been disconnected, one screw can be unscrewed from the end of the trim panel. At the next stage, we take the inner door handle with our hand and pull the trim up. When the door card rises a little, it will be necessary to disconnect the cable for opening the lock and disconnect the connectors for the backlight and speaker. And do not forget to pull the wires from the handle, which we disconnected from the power window buttons. If the plug interferes, it must be removed. After everything is disconnected, you can remove the door card. When all the work with the mechanisms in the door is done, it remains to return the skin to its place in the reverse order, as it was removed. That's all. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you soon in the next video.